Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Apps and Notifications over here, scroll down again and choose Permission Manager. Following that, pick one of your phone's features. I will go with Location and select one of your apps, like for example Maps. Now pick one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps just gained access to this device location, but you can also tap on one of your apps, select See all Maps permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!